This is my cheap Chinese diesel heater in my VW Beetle, and I have decided to upgrade the heat ducts to all metal. Now, I had put in this cabin return air earlier, but this side was all made out of PVC, and the newer, hotter heater just wasn't working with the PVC. So what I did was I went to Lowe's, and I got their cheapest 3-inch flue pipe for water heaters. Now, they had double wall, but this piece was like $6, and the infinitely adjusted elbow up there was like $5 or $6. And then I had the problem of what I was going to do with my defrosters, so I started looking on the shelves, and I found this stuff called structural tubing. It's a thin wall, high strength tubing, and you can get these really neat connectors for it. They have all different ones. I got a T connector, and on the other side is Allen bolts. Well, I glued them in with JB weld and cinched the Allen bolts down, and what I did was I bored a hole right in the back of this elbow. Now, I've got it pretty tight, and I'm going to try it just as is, because it would be nice to be able to pull this system apart whenever I wanted. But if it leaks too much, I'll just get some steel putty, put it in there. I can always break it loose if I need to. But this runs right into the corner defrosters. And on the other side of this is a valve that I can rotate and turn it on and off. And I will do that. So we'll see how this works, and if it works good, I'm going to get rid of these wires that hold these to the standoffs, and I'm going to put some good mounts on there. So anyways, this ought to work really well, and it should get rid of all of the problems with the PVC getting soft, and you could always just smell a hint of plastic in the background, and I don't like that either.